Mama, you had the party today. What kind of problem is this one now?
What is the problem?
Yeah, you told me we'll just come and harvest cassava.
Are we not supposed to clear the grasses before harvesting cassava?
Well, please, that was not what you told me. I'm tired.
Chika. Nah, do you know why you're not? We'll clear the grasses, then harvest cassava and go home. We are just also then here.
Mama, because it's too much now. After all, you said we are going to harvest for Ekwutozina and her useless boys. As if please, I'm tired.
Chika, calm down. Let's harvest a little more. I know you're tired, but look who won't better. You can go fuma and now
we can't go more fuma. Let's go home.
Secondly, don't address them as useless children. They are not. We are one family.
They are not my family.
We are one family. Chika, okon ofife jianye chanine. Ofunna ofudi. Jilin, why you know? Okay, if you're tired, why don't you wait? Let us walk some more. Then we can all go home.
I will wait. Come here, I go home 5 more now. Mama mo kwe ka nwu yesi chamu happen na na ya.
Ndo. Chibamanda, ngwa. Let's do something because papa put attack. Why na ini? Food is ready. Do you want to eat here or inside?
I always like to eat inside.
Oh, okay.
Where is Maria and my daughters?
I don't know. Maybe they went to the farm.
Mama!
Okay.
Papa! Obiasa is back!
Papa, good morning, sir.
Mama. No budget in one more.
Mama.
No budget flavor. No.
Good afternoon.
What is this hairstyle all about?
Low budget flavor.
What a surprise.
Yes, sir, Papa.
You
A
know
surprise.
Yay! How are township people?
Very fine, Dad. Doing fine.
Okay, forgot guy one.
He's fine. He's fine.
Did he send you on an errand to deliver any message to me?
No, Papa. I have decided to leave the apprenticeship.
What happened?
Oga Basil is always accusing me of one thing or the other. So I decided to leave in peace.
You're running too fast. I want you to break it down. You decided to live in peace or he sent you packing? Which of the above?
Are they not the same?
No, they are not the same.
No, now the bottom line is that he left.
How can they be the same thing? Can you look at his hairstyle?
No.
This you're coming back, has it anything to do with this hairstyle?
He wants to be.
No, now, Papa, no.
Okay, tell me. What was the accusation? Are you innocent of it?
Yes. Papa, I'm innocent. Oga Basil said I stole his money, which I did not.
My son is not a thief. Kezi? Just go inside. Oh, freshen up. I can be a mwali.
Thank you, Mama.
Why are you not saying anything?
Thank you very much.
Say what?
Why are you not playing? They say he stole money.
I've always known that Basil does not like my son.
No, but your son is not the only one that Basil is helping in this village and beyond. Why will he single out your son for punishment?
He doesn't like him. Why also? Are you coming inside to eat? Let me go and put the food.
Give the food to your son and cook another thing for me.
He say?
I say you should cook another thing for me. Something else.
No, okay. So Diego. Because Charles. Namo. Papa mo.
Mama.
Low budget flavor.
No, Mama.
No.
You're not even blaming your son at all. You have not even heard from Basil and you have concluded your son is not a thief. Even when he's looking like a thief. Can you do this? Can you do this? What would you try to do this? I can say you are sure. Can you number Basil? Can you say number Basil? Can you say number Basil?
Hi. Hey, wait.
Come and see it. It's not when I'm talking. This I talk too much. See for yourself.
Ezeonu, has it gotten to this? You now drink in the house knowing Papa will not like it.
Why are you advising him now? Allow Papa come out and disgrace him. Who disgrace? Yeah, that's what I want.
Come on, shut up that nonsense you call him out. Is it me you're talking to like that? Nonsense.
It will do you good to keep quiet before Papa comes out. Ezeonu, why can't you take it easy on yourself? You are gradually becoming a man and you need to be responsible.
Wait, are you by chance saying I'm irresponsible?
Echezona, please watch your mouth. Watch your mouth.
No. You should watch your own mouth. Because I was on my own enjoying myself. You came and you tried to spoil the moment for me. Did I beg you for money to buy my one ball? Did I beg you for money? Are you my mother to advise me? No, you're not my mother. So mind your business. You people should mind your business in this house. Biko, please.
No problem. No problem. You didn't beg us money to buy it, ba? Because when you start suffering from liver and kidney problem, don't beg us for money.
It's you that will suffer from liver and kidney problem. Idiot.
It's okay.
It's your turn, Kege.
Osgo.
It's okay.
It's okay. Echezona, sorry, continue. Continue yourself.
Thank
no
you.
problem. I'm back to my clothes. I'm sorry.
Don't go. Come here and come and be gossiping.
True.
See, if it's not for one thing, Idiot. You people will not mind your business.
We harvested some cassava yesterday, and my daughters dropped them here, and I can't find them.
That's because I have sold them. I sold them early this morning.
I don't understand.
What part of it don't you understand?
You sold them. Why? How?
One after the other. How? I saw a ready buyer going to the market, and I called her. She gave me money and collected the items. Why? Because I am the rightful owner. The land in question belongs to my sons, the only male children we have in this family.
I don't understand what you mean.
The meaning is whatever it means to you.
But that is not fair. I've been farming on that land before you came into this house. So you mean my daughters and I will go to the farm, sweat it out and bring some cassava and pack there, and you just sell them just like that? Or
do whatever you can do. Whatever you want to do, do it. Nanya, because you are the first wife, I will not allow you match on my head. I know my place.
Mama, what is going on here?
Ask her. Ask Maria that wants to intimidate me and my children. Nonsense.
Mama, what is it?
The same cassava we harvested and packed there. She sold everything, just like that.
Mama, but that is not right.
Shut up. What do you know is right?
Mama, please do not tell me to shut up. We suffered to harvest those cassava and you just sold them.
Don't talk to her like that. Guinea Abrobo. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Chelu, has he got into this? Olugo to her. Chimamanda, can I put Opo change?
Mama, it's not right now. So after all this stuff, you just gonna sell the cassava without
Rapufa, can you put?
What are you going to do?
Can you put?
Go to Ocha. Guinea.
Okay.
Look at her trying to intimidate me and my children. My sons.
So, Mama, this is what has been going on in this house. You did not tell me. Can I put Batawa here?
I am equal to the task.
I trust you.
Is it not Maria and her children? By the way, KBC.
You can book some games.
Book again.
Some games, okay.
Oh man, I've not told you. Since he battle with Isia, you have been behaving like a madman.
No, Mama, here with 100 naira, you can win 500,000.
Yeah, pool.
Not
pool.
Pool. Not pool. Bet. Okwendocha. Bet.
Ekwutozina, sit down.
I am okay.
I'm not okay. I say you should sit down. Where are you going? I beg on. Shekulo. Eat a good shots, huh?
You said I should sit down. I'm trying to sit.
Why do you like trouble? Eh? I don't understand. You know what? It is not in my nature to beat about the bush. I will just say it exactly the way it is. It is wrong of you to have sowed the cassava that she harvested. Very wrong of you. This woman here is the head wife in this family. She is your head. Under normal circumstances, you should be respecting her. Why do you find it difficult to respect the one that is ahead of you? And you're expecting people that are coming behind you to respect you? How is that possible?
Nai, is it when I die of intimidation that you will know that I respect her? Eh?
Ne, but who is intimidating you? You're the one raising all the dust. So why are you claiming to be the victim? Why?
Nai, you should have told me that you called me here to be judged by you and your favorite wife. Eh?
You know what I would never allow is for you to twist this thing. It's not going to be possible. Now I want you to apologize to Maria here for your action earlier on. Listen to me. You don't need to understand it anyway that is different. It was wrong of you to have sold those cassava. Simple. So I apologize to her. Yes. You hear them again?
Apologize to yeah. Can't you again? The land in question, who does it belong to? Why would she harvest that land?
Now you listen. Before I married, in fact, long before I married you, she has been planting and harvesting from that land. Are you claiming you don't know?
So she should continue. Even after having 2 grown-up sons. And Nai?
Nai, please, I don't like where this whole issue is being diverted to.
Of course you will not like it. You will not like it. Eh? It is time for you to call a spade a spade.
A spade is a spade?
Your land belongs to your sons, not your daughters. Ekwutozina did not say it. It is traditional.
So says the traditional Prime Minister Ekwutozina. The one that sits very close to the king, talking for the king. That's who you are. The one that knows everything about our tradition. Now listen to me. This is not your call. You are a woman. It is my call as the head of this family. I am the one who decides what goes to who. You have no right whatsoever to divide anything in my family right before me. Okay?
In that case, I don't think you are ready to solve this problem once and for all.
There is no problem in the first place. You are the one that is creating the problem. And I'm asking you to change. Change! I just asked you to apologize to your head wife here, and you said you're not going to do it.
Apologize to this one?
Yes!
Mommy.
Look at her. Mommy.
Mommy.
Like an imbecile. Look at how you're just turning imbecile. Mommy. And it's okay to you. Mommy. No, Belocha.
Maria, Belocha.
You are going to bull God. Well, I'm not blaming anybody. I think I should be blaming myself for coming to the same family to marry 2 women that cannot agree. Mother, even if I am unable to call this one to order, why can't you call her to order? Is she not your sister?
Chelo, call who to order? Ekwutozina. Kamu aka call who to order? Ha! Nna rap come macho kwa me nwu biko.
How don't one name?
Obu say one name. Does she not know the right thing to do? She has refused to do it. Obu mo aka for game me. Na rap no me ban kan tu biko.
Leicester Man U over 2.5. That one I'm going to 3-1. Chelsea Brighton. Go. Remaining only Liverpool.
Obi,
Amanda.
can I have a word with you, please?
So long as what you have to say we meaning, can go ahead.
Obi, remember when we were small? We used to play. We understood ourselves very well. Please, I don't want us to lose that now.
I don't understand what you are saying. Do you mean my mother should have allowed your mother, or my mother should allow your mother intimidate her in her own husband's house? Obi,
that is not the case. Obi, we went to the farm with my mother. We harvested those cassavas under the scorching sun. Moreover, the cassava was for everybody, not just for only us.
The point is that you have failed to understand us. We understand you people, but you have failed to understand that the farm in question belongs to my mother's sons. Nya, my brother. So anytime you want to go to the farm, you will tell my mother first and seek for her permission. On a very good day, you all are criminals.
I guess there is no amount of explanation that you understand my point. Let's leave that one. Anyway, what happened about your apprenticeship in the city?
Yeah. Now. You, what are you still doing at home? Why are you not in your shop where you took people's clothes? What are you doing in your father's house? Are you not old enough to get married and leave our compound? Your time in this compound will soon expire. Expire will push you to any man we like.
Obiozo, why are you reading meaning in everything I say? I was only showing concern for my younger brother. This is coming from a place of love.
And my own is coming from a place of faith, okay? My own is coming from a place of faith. Because I beg you, I have my ticket here. It is remaining only 2 games. Biko, I'm already enjoying in advance because I will win 1.5 million. So please, don't use your ill luck to spoil these 2 games. Please. Please.
One more. You're doing kidnapping. Eh?
My brother, Chelsea na bastard.
Me.
Chelsea na big fool. Chelsea na idiot. Look at my 2 million naira. I was looking at my 2 million naira. It was looking at me. Chelsea scattered everything.
Eh?
By now, 1 million.
Jesus. Because of one game.
Just one game. Organic content at the one game. Chelsea to score. Chelsea they played them 2-0. Referee gave them penalty. Idiot. What a penalty to throw in.
Hey. Nah, this thing is painful. Eh?
Very painful. Obi about you go me here.
Now calm down. Just calm down. Let me just take you to one bed bar. So you after you take one bottle, you can now rearrange yourself and plan. Relax.
I already planned what I will do with that 2 million naira. I already planned my life very well with that 2 million naira. Just like that. Just like that.
Now just calm down. Let us just go there. Let us go there. So by the time you take the one bottle, your mind now you'll be thinking well. But my own question is, do people really win this money?
It's again. If you go inside here now, they will give you 2 bottles of beer. Somebody wants 20 million today.
Now the money is
inside.
inside.
No. The guy already left with his money now, but the beer is still there. They are giving people beer since morning. My friend in the city, he won 15 million naira now. 15 good million naira. And I asked him, do they really win? I almost won 2 million, I'm telling you.
Hey.
If not for idiot Chelsea. Ndara. The blues.
But just calm down, eh? Calm down. Let me just go to that bar. But as it is right now, eh? It's like I'll try this game one of these days. Let me see.
No.
Something will come out of it.
Yes, no, it's a very good business. This is the closest way to Egompute. Shortest way to Egompute.
Who is here? Who is here?
Who is that?
Chika.
Brother.
How are you?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. Brother, where is the vanilla?
Go. Don't worry. If I'm boss now. Oh, I forgot. Please. Okay. Where's my love, Kwan?
She's inside cutting material.
Biko, boy, and all the mumba. Oh, my hard-working beauty.
What a pleasant surprise. You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
You know, I'm very fine now that I've seen you. You know, your beauty sweeps me off balance.
You go from where you are that you let me go cook the food.
Okay, no problem. Oh, you're welcome. Come and sit down. Let's sit there.
Thank you. So, how have you been? I've not seen you lately.
I am fine. I'm sorry you've not seen me. I've been very busy. I have people's clothes I have to deliver on time.
Ewo, my hard-working beauty. Ewo.
So how is work?
No. You know, palm wine tapping is not an easy job for a young man.
I know. But you know, there's dignity in labor.
Not this kind of
Yeah,
labor.
I'm okay. What are you doing here? Eh? What are you doing here?
Mama, this is Udoka. He came to see me.
Shut up. Did I ask you? Is he not an adult? Can't he talk? If this is how you're going to live in this house, it is not acceptable.
Mama, good afternoon.
Oh, keep your poverty-stricken greeting to yourself. If you're here, Ogonogo, get out.
Mama, please now. Mama, you have to stop it. Stop embarrassing my friend.
You see, friend, at your age, are you supposed to still be talking about friend? Are you still here doing what? If our mother cannot tell her the truth, I will. I don't support evil.
Why now?
Welcome, go and cut the cloth you're cutting.
Mama, I don't like this. You just embarrass my friend. I don't like it.
Bia. Chimamanda bani muno. Ochwe kuoka. Oh, umaka kite enwere isi. Umaka enwere isi. Mari azụrụ nwa azụ.
The best thing for us to do is to avoid this problem like a plague. What if everything she's doing points to the fact that she's looking for her trouble and trying you. We will continue to shame the devil. We will not look for her trouble at all.
Oh, Mama. For how long are we going to pretend that all will be well? Mama, this embarrassment will not stop if we don't do anything about it too.
Mama, sister is right. You needed to see the way she insulted Brother Udoka. Highest is here, sorry.
Mama, I'm not a little girl. I'm of marriageable age and allowed to have a male visitor in my father's house. Besides, Udoka is not a new person in this family. He's my boyfriend. You have to see the way she walked him out.
If only both of you will listen to me. If she insults you, if she disgraces you, if she does anything, just ignore her. But it's too much.
It's too much.
Because now people are children of God.
It's too much.
Mama, you are Christian more than a church. When you Christian, you see children of God. Or the poor man, you see children of God. You would have insulted her.
I'm just ignoring her. There's a limit to everything. If she pushes me too much, I'll give her insult that she will never forget in her life.
Papa will only quarrel you, he will not kill you.
Just respecting her. Just respecting her.
Your mother cannot be intimidated.
Wow.
Wow.
And both of you should follow my footsteps. Do not let those girls have their way. Try Kwane. Okunano?
Yes, now.
Good.
But that is not possible. They cannot do it. That is not possible.
Thank you, my son. You are my son.
Thank you, Mama.
Forget their mother's pretense. If you are Maria name pretense, him and her pretenders do worse things. She is angry because she doesn't have a male child. Is it my fault that I have boys? Is it my fault?
But Mama, why are people like this? Are you the one that gave yourself male children?
Who will I ask if you ask me? Well, that is one of the problems of polygamy. Do you know that since I gave birth to both of you, I've not had one peaceful night rest without dreaming of Maria wanting to kill both of you?
But that is not possible now, you should know. Manamado, they cannot do anything to both of us.
That's my son.
Where?
You're my children, my blood. See, let me tell you people, whatever your father has, everything your father has belongs to both of you.
What? Yes, now.
It is not my fault, oh. I did not make the law. It is tradition.
Mama, don't worry. Don't worry. We have always known that she has evil thoughts towards us. And we are very careful. That's how we are following her. With brain.
Use it.
Yes.
Hi.
Use it.
No wonder Chimamanda came like a green snake in the green grass today.
You borrowed the snake.
Trying to deceive me that we are siblings. But I turned her down. And I will continue to turn her down.
I trust you. Turn her.
Hi.
Keep turning her down.
Hi. These people are very dangerous. So.
Thank you, Mama.
For what, Kwan? For what?
We don't agree. This house is our own. We don't agree.
Okay, this is yeah. Come on, Maka. Chimamanda. Chika. Ebe kumaka tiesi. Chimama.
Mama, good morning.
Otuocha, is it not morning enough for this place to be swept? Okay, Jewotaiza. Jewotaiza, some good morning.
Mama, it's not my turn to sweep on my sister's turn. It's Ezeonu's turn to sweep the compound.
What did you just say?
Mama, I said it's Ezeonu.
Will you shut up? When did it become a man's duty to sweep? Go and get a broom.
Mama, but we've been doing that before now.
Even
now that Obi is back, we're going to include him in the roster.
That roaster roast your mouth.
Okay.
That roaster will roast your mouth.
Okay.
What do you mean?
Are you mad? You know, like my elder said, you're talking to like that.
Hey!
You're very stupid.
You're a fool.
You are very stupid.
Hey!
What is happening here? What can
Did you just talk back at me?
Our ancestors.
She will not talk back at you when you will not respect your seniors.
Now I see that you people want us to act Nigerian film for you.
Chelu, can you with that remote?
Watch out!
Hey! Jesus weakling. Am I your mate? You call me a prostitute. Am I your mate?
No, what flavor?
Don't try it in your life again.
Am I your mate for you?
Ugezu, sit down. Can you tell me why I cannot have a moment of peace in this house?
Papa, until those girls know their place in this house, there will be no peace.
Why have you allowed your mother's attitude to seriously affect your sense of reasoning? What are you dragging with them?
Everything. Papa, everything. Chimamanda assumes the position of the first child in this compound. No problem, but she failed to remember that I am the first son in this compound. And that is all that matters. I am the first son that knows his right. Until she accepts that, there will be no peace.
It is very unfortunate that you now believe that you are dragging anything with anybody. It is very unfortunate. And listening to you now, watching your behavior, it has become very obvious the reason Basil sent you away. Let me ask you now that you are here, what plans do you have for yourself? Do you have any plans at all?
Hey, Papa, this is what you should be asking me about. Papa, I have a beautiful plan. I want to open a shop at the junction, a betting shop, where people can come and play and win some money. I know myself, I cannot work under anybody. I am a boss, I'm born to be a boss.
Ugezu, let me understand you. Are you confirming to me that you want to open up a gambling shop in this town?
Papa, you don't have to twist everything. I said a betting shop, not gambling, a betting shop.
Just tell me that you are still a gambler. Because that is what gamblers do. That is their stock in trade. They will never agree that they are gamblers. They will always find a name for it. It is bet. It is not gambling, but it is gambling. Now it is becoming clear why they sent you away. Eh? If you didn't away, Daniel, he said, no, need to show them. See that was no need in chat. Don't talk here, see, Benjamin Gamble.
I'm really sorry about the embarrassment she was taking.
It's not a fault.
I know, but still, I just have to apologize.
No, apologies have been long accepted before even they are made. It's not your fault.
She's beginning to succeed in making the house so uncomfortable for me. I wish I'm not here.
You know, I can only promise to make that happen soon.
I don't mean to put pressure on you.
No, you're not. I should have been able to pay your bride price. I mean, before now.
I know. And I know you will put so.
You think so?
I know so.
You know, sometimes it seems you believe in me more than I believe in myself.
Maybe because I'm your better half.
Thank you.
Nai, Ekwu's attitude towards my children and I is becoming unbearable. I don't think I can take it anymore. I can't keep quiet again, no.
So what are you planning to do? No, you want to come down from your very elevated position and descend to their level and begin to join issues with them? Listen, Maria, our people have this saying that when this is a fly perches the man in the wrong place, he requires wisdom to get rid of it. You are the big sister, like the head. Oh, you have to remember that always.
No, she's my cousin, quite all right. But does that mean she should disrespect me? Does she even remember that we're related? Eh?
Oh, okay. Do you know what I promise you here and now is that I will talk some sense into her. But I want you to try yourself. No matter the provocation, do not ever descend to their level and begin to join issues with them. Don't allow them to provoke you that you will lose your temper in such a way that you will start to do some things that can bring our legs outside. No, we are family and we should not. No matter what, we cannot afford to wash our dirty linen in public. Okay?
I will keep trying my best, but I got as one man. Meanwhile, Chika will need some money for her school fees.
I know that one way or the other it will always end the money. But that's no problem. I will sort it out. Okay. I will sort it out. You know, as my male children have all decided that they will not go to school, they don't want education. No problem. I will give that education to my female children. After all, children are children. When you train a female very well, she can actually become more than 10 men put together. I believe that.
Thank you, nice.
You see Arsenal Liverpool? If that game doesn't end in 1-1 draw, then no, I'm no longer Ugezu.
Nah, but how sure are you this game will enter? Eh?
Hey, it is called a fixed game. 1-1 draw, fixed bet, sure bet. Yes, now I know about it.
If you're that certain, then please, you have to help me and play my own. Eh?
Okay. How much do you want to play?
You know I'm just starting, so I don't know how you will do it. So it will not be wise that I use all my money and play it. Let me just put 1,000 naira. Eh? In case.
Don't be a doubting Thomas. See, this is sure bet. Sure game. The thing doesn't change. 1-1 draw. Okay, if that be the case, I'll play your 1K for you. Calm down, but how much do you have total?
$5,000.
5. Beautiful. See what you do now. You have to borrow me that your 5,000. Calm down, man. Calm down. Calm down. Don't have little faith. You have to give me your 5,000. Borrow. Then I'll add it to my own 5,000. Then I will play a sure visual bet. Then I'll win 100K. I am not man.
See, this. Okay. If we now play it now, we share the money equally. If we win.
Oh, you man of little faith. Oh, you man of little faith. Don't have little faith. Understand, it is sure. Let's go inside. People will tell you about sure game. You will know.
What if you now lose the money now?
We will not lose. We cannot lose a sure game. It's just like you saying that tomorrow is not Wednesday. Is it possible? We will not lose. Let's go.
Ekwutozina.
No.
Insensitivity is part of human nature. But you will equally agree with me that those that seek peace are sensitive. If not all the time, but at least most of the time. I am not happy with the way you are relating with Maria and her children, and I called you here to ask you why. What is going on?
No, please, how am I relating with them?
Ekwutozina, I wouldn't want you to answer my question with another question, please.
But how can I answer a question I don't understand?
I have not called you here for argument, please.
Of course. You called me to deliver your judgment. After hearing from your first wife, I'm here to hear the verdict. I'm listening.
So you are confirming to me now that you still realize she is the first wife and therefore has an edge over you in this family, right?
So? Because of that, I cannot talk in my husband's house again. And I've been watching you. Trying to intimidate my children and I. What you're doing is to push my children out of their father's inheritance. After you say I am the troublemaker. Well, I have promised myself one thing. I will never be intimidated. I am not a weak woman. I'm not.
You are not a weak woman. So automatically you are confirming to me you are prepared for war. No, what are you going to use when the war starts?
You're correct. What kind of bastard do you do? Yeah, that's 5K. I'll need it though.
What's 5K again? I thought you bought drinks for me because of my loss.
Yes, That's not the money I'm talking about, eh? The one I'm talking about is the one I borrowed you. I'll need it tomorrow.
Hey. Are you this wicked? Are you this heartless?
My money.
Or you are just being insensitive? You saw what happened back there. I lost all my games. You are still asking me for the money. You should be consoling me. I'm in serious pains.
See, I understand. I understand you're in pains. That's why I'm not telling you to pay me the money now. I'm giving you till tomorrow to rest. So by tomorrow I'll be needing it because myself I have my own.
Hey! Where are you coming from, both of you?
Papa, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
I just asked the question of both of you and nobody's responding to that. I said, where are you coming from?
We went for hustling.
You went for what? How many times have I told both of you to stop perambulating this town and coming back anytime you like? How many times will I say it?
Papa, we went for hustling, direct hustling. We aren't perambulating everywhere.
Hey, go hospital. What tell you?
No. I'll give you.
Mama, good afternoon. Welcome, Mama.
What have my sons done? That I overheard you telling them that they cannot come back to their father's house anytime they want. Are they not men?
No, is it only coming back that you heard? Didn't you hear perambulating?
No, I didn't hear that one.
Did you hear hustling?
No, what I heard was anytime you want.
Why are you always defending these children? Why are you always defending them? I was asking questions to men. I don't know where a woman came in from. And interrupted that discussion. What's your problem?
I didn't know the question was a gender question. But I don't know, Bikono. These are the only sons of this family.
Why are you spoiling these boys? Why can't you tell them the truth? Why?
What truth? If you cannot talk well about these boys, I will. They are our pride.
They are your pride?
Yes.
So automatically, you will begin to pay their bills, right?
What bills? Bills.
Kevin and me.
No, Biko, I'm coming.
This is water. Maria, please come. This is what I can afford now.
God bless you.
God will bless you more. Please tell Sheka to see me when she returns from the market.
Okay.
Nai, was it money you gave her?
Aqua bread. Aqua bread can look on Chinya.
I was watching you when you were counting it. And why would you give her such amount of money?
I don't understand. There's a business between two parties. This person gave money to this person. And the third party from nowhere is interfering. What's your business?
I don't know why you would give her such amount of money when your sons are at home not doing anything.
Ego, is it your money?
No, you can be
well, let me tell you, those sons you are talking about, they are the people I am monitoring every step of the way. And what I am seeing now is huge irresponsibility. When they become responsible, I will know, and then we can talk about it. Right now, the education of my female children is my concern. Fabundin make a mother. Fabundin choka now will ego. Eh? Tu uncle get called. On the bench, you don't think you know.
Ekwutozina, so this is what you come to do in the kitchen? Hey.
It's not my mother's
Will you shut
fault.
up? Mama! Mama!
Eh?
Come on, is that your mother's pot of soup?
Okay.
Mama, see, I caught him stealing from the pot of soup.
Ekwutozina, you stole from my pot of soup? In that palace, when did you start stealing? What kind of a child is this?
I wonder.
What is wrong with you?
Yeah.
Ekwutozina, Onyori! Onyori anu! Ogini! Why are you people ganging up against my son? Ogini!
Mama, I caught him stealing from the pot of soup. Look at his mouth, stole
Your
me.
fault, though.
Thief.
What pot of soup?
No shit.
My pot of soup, of course.
That was
But that is
fault.
beside the point anyway. What is the point? Answer now. What is the point? The point is that he's a thief. Naya. Instead of calling my son names, I can replace that pot of soup for you.
Bam.
Yeah. Is this the best way to train a child? Hello, child. My son is not a child. My son is
Male adult.
a male child.
Smart.
The boy is good.
Okay.
So because he's a male, he can go about stealing, okay? Well, if you don't like it, you can go and have your own male child. Hey! My boy is good. Your boy is good. Very good.
A thief.
Let's go. Let's go. Rapole and leave the pot of soup. Ekwutozina, still more. Let us go, Biko. Can you put him on that? Hey, the boy is good. That's the boy.
YouTube is not even tasty.
Yeah, Izu. You stole Ezeonu.
That is what was your own soup.
You marry my pot. Ewu. Now they are calling you a thief.
I can.
Ofena toroto.
Ugezu! Ekwutozina!
Nai. Talk to your sacred first wife. Oh. Very soon now she will rush here and start telling you that Ekwutozina without giving you the full story of how she has been accusing my son falsely.
What is the problem again? What happened again?
Okay. Hey, Papa.
Okay.
Hey! So Maria has finally given my son poison.
How can you say things like that?
Hey!
No. Hold on. What did you eat?
Papa,
Can you really?
is on fire.
How can your stomach be on fire? Who put the fire there?
If anything should happen to my son, there will never be peace in this house again.
I said, stop sounding that way. You know, don't worry, let me get you money. Just take it to the chemist, let them find something.
Chemist or hospital?
Forget about hospital.
Hospital.
Chemist.
Is your stomach really paining you?
For what? No. I might let him bring money for hospital. Put fire.
Well, act it well. Very risky.
Papa, oh!
Sorry.
Ndo.
The conspiracy against you is very massive.
Okay.
I can't find my money. I can't find the money.
Yeah?
How possible is this?
Maria!
Henna?
Shimamanda!
Hey, I talk one more.
I want everybody out here. Hold on the paper. I can't find the money I kept in my room. So I'm asking, who is this criminal that went into my room and took my money? Hey.
I'm not going to be criminal, but Chimamanda here was the one who cleaned your room.
No, Mama, I didn't send any money. I only swept and cleaned Papa's room.
Who took it now? Somebody must have gone in there and took the money.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa, I didn't even send any money.
My children are Ezeonu.
Nobody said she does, though. A clear conscience fears no accusation.
Because where is Ugezu the criminal?
Criminal. How much are we even talking about? How much are we looking for?
What kind of rubbish question is this? I'm looking for my money. 750 naira I kept in my room. I can't find it.
Come here.
Can I wear it?
Nah. There's 750 naira looking for since.
Are you okay now?
Nine. Pico, I want you to take this thing easy. You and I know that even if he took the money, he will never agree that he did. You could just let it go. Oh?
Special advisor. Who sought your opinion? Eh? Who sought your opinion? What? Did he ask you to advise him? You have concluded that my son stole the money. What about your daughter Chika that is not around now? Eh? Or so she's saying that she does not know what to do with money. Why
are you talking to me like this? Have you forgotten you're my cousin? Why would you address me like this?
So? Wait, oh. Because of that, I should sit down and watch you discredit my children. Maria, stop pretending, oh.
You know, I'll be the last person to do that. I have not condemned anybody.
As holy way, Jebo. Nekwanya, take my children's names out of your mouth. Don't try it again.
Why are you always creating division where there is none? What is wrong with you?
Yes, so because even the devil himself does not know the heart of some people. Maria, because stop pretending. Pretend.
Enter this case now.
Chelo, Mwa pretend.
You are a pretender, Maria.
May God have mercy on you.
And on you too. Holy wench.
Hold on. Just hold on. Can you possibly stand before any deity and swear that you are so sure your son did not steal that money?
Wetin be this one now? They are waiting now.
What's happening?
How you go play West Ham for me to win Tottenham? I will. You don't know what you're
saying. Maybe I sell your ticket.
See him now. Who be Mumu? Who go play West Ham to win Tottenham? I will.
Okay, you be idiot. Not what you talk now, please. Why you shout?
You call me idiot. Forget what I cook with my money. What the hell they call me idiot for? Okay, what be your problem now? You don't get your problems.
Now my shop is not the big place. Okay, if you don't get my take one.
See. You know as I take make money, what I take come here. You know as I take stuff and make that 750, what I take come here. See, my total ticket potential winning na 53,000. I go fit give her. But you see that 750, what I take come here, I don't go leave her. I no go leave her. I no go try her. Give me my 750 and then.
Not enough this table. If you not to take, if you not too much time to slap me. Wait, come on my shop. You're not going to get.
I don't need that. I go carry this TV.
Probably because I talk to you. I will see. Man, not tell you.
No tell.
Come on my shop. Where is this guy?
Great header across.
Come on my shop.
I cross. You don't get here. You don't get here.
Come on my shop. Come on my shop now. Same problem. Come on my shop, I bet. They go. Mugu.
You dey here.
Oh, guys, say they go.
If I come back to this shop.
Oh, they go. Carry your property, they go, I bet. You don't get money, you won't complain. They go your house. Idiot. They go.
That is the fool. Ugezu, where is my money?
About what money? Which money?
Hey, I just asked the question and I believe you heard me. I said, where is my money?
Papa, I did not go to your room to take the money you kept in your trouser. Whosoever that told you that is a very big liar. The liar of all time.
Nai, he said he did not take it. He did not take it.
He did not take it. How did he know I kept the money in my trouser? And how did he know the money went missing in my room? And you're standing here defending him. Are you going to give me the money or do you want me to kill you here right now?
Papa, you will eventually kill me.
What?
You will eventually kill me. Anybody that touches me today will kill me. Considering the situation I met where I went to. You will kill me.
Hey, Nai, you want to kill your first son because of money. How much you want?
And who cares? Listen, I don't care anymore. It is better for me to kill this one than have a criminal parapletic himself all over the place as my son. When I have a son to deliver.
I can't breathe, Papa. I cannot breathe. I will die.
Even though I'm sure you didn't take the money, I will replace it.
You know what? Do not ever enter my room again. For whatever reason. Even if they ask you to go and sweep the room, say no. Don't enter my room again.
I will replace it.
So, Papa, you almost strangled me because of how much?
What?
Papa, I will make it big in this village. I will make it big. The last two tickets I played, 10.2 million and 5.5 million. When I hit this money, 15.7 million naira.
You are very stupid to stand before me telling me this. Can you hear yourself? Can you hear how you're promoting this idiot? How am I sure you're not even a gambler yourself? Don't worry. Oh, come on, take the room, Mozo. Oh, the man,
Because of how much? 750 naira.
Oh, you even took it. You took it, man.
I played game now. I played game. I played game. That's the most important thing. I played game. 10 point something million. But Papa's money has a lock. The ones I played with his money, all of them failed.
Hey, bad luck.
Very, very terrible luck. You are no the entire game is Yasa.
Listen to me, Mr. Okoli. You are not the very first person to be elected into the ESCO of the town union. Before you got elected, people served in that capacity. There is a way you do things. You can't just wake up in the morning and fix an emergency meeting and expect people to come. Listen, I have something I'm already scheduled to do today. Something that I cannot shift. You know what? I am not coming. Sorry about that. I'm not coming.
Papa, good morning.
Good morning. And where are you heading this early?
Papa, I'm within the house.
You are going and you are within the house. So this is what it has gotten to now. You wake up in the morning and boom, you are gone. How does that define responsibility?
Papa, I didn't say I was traveling, though. I just said I am within the environment.
Yeah. You are within the environment. I understand. See, what you are going to do, you have to go back. Carry that television that spoiled last night. You see that man that repairs television within, down there. Carry that television and go and meet the man. Tell him that it spoiled last night, that I want him to look at it and tell me what the problem is. Then you come back here and tell me what the man says.
Papa, I'm sorry, I cannot carry the TV. You
Why?
know my stomach has not stopped paining me. From time to time, the pain occurs. Like now, it is paining me.
Your stomach is still paining you. The pain, it occurs sometimes.
Yes.
But you're already prepared to go out now.
Papa, I'm just at the backyard, though, behind the house. I'm not going far.
Listen. I don't want to join issues with you. You have just two options now. It is either you go back and carry that television and go and give it with him to that man there for him to look at it. Or if you cannot go, then you go back and face the pain. Eh?
Papa,
which one?
It's paining me. I'll go inside and face the pain.
Okay. Face the pain. Nyala. Nwofia.
I thought I overheard Papa saying something about the television and you.
Yeah, so, and I told him that my stomach is paining me, so that's what I told you. What?
But you know it's a lie. You know your stomach is not paining you.
So you want to go and tell him that I am fine? Or have you forgotten you're still owing me?
No, far from it. Actually, I have this idea, this wonderful idea that would help us get back your money. And you will make some more money in acoustic in Andondo. Even when I was hearing about television, my man was even telling me you already understood this idea that came to my mind.
What idea is that?
Think now, use your head. You don't get them?
No, it has not entered up at a bit.
Think.
Papa, God is good though. My stomach has stopped paining me.
The miracle.
Hey.
Get him in.
Nice.
Good. Then you have to just proceed to that man that I told you with the television. Go there with the television and tell him exactly what I said before.
Okay. Papa, what about the money that I'll give to him?
Go with television first. After, just tell him to fix it. I will pay him later.
Papa, what if he disagrees? And let me know, be working on that son, going and coming. Just give me the money at once.
So, listen to me. No matter what you say today, nothing will ever make me to give you one kobo. Carry the television to the man, let him identify what the problem is. It is only that after he has done that I will give him money. How much am I going to give you now? What is the fault in the television? You don't know. Nobody knows. Talking about money. Blue television, Bujama can lose here, go now, I want you go. Oh, yeah. Oh, because is the paid back? The paid is back, eh? Because there's no more idiot. Oh, no.
How did he go? He went well, though. Come, let's go. Hey, how much did the man pay?
He gave 15,000.
For what? Why would the man pay 15,000 for that big television?
He did not even want to believe me, sef. I had to convince him that Papa was sick and we needed to take him to the hospital. So he now paid 15,000.
No be that man, Mirio. After all these stories, the man still brought 15,000 naira.
You're not even happy he paid 15,000 for it. If it's me, I'll not even give it up to 10,000.
Hey, it's obvious. So you are just the same thing with that man. No wonder you look like him. I'm telling
you.
So where's the money now? Let's share the money fast.
Let's share the money, or let me give you your own share of the money.
Yeah. Which one is my own share of the money again? Remember, now me bring this idea, and I'm your elder brother. So which one is my share?
Nah. See, there's no elder to this one. No. Let me give you your own 5,000. Take 5,000.
Out of 15,000 naira, you are giving the idea bringer and your elder brother 5,000 naira.
Very good deal. Have you forgotten that you owe me 5,000? And from the 10,000 that is left, I had to now divide it into 2. And this is your own share of the money.
Okay, so now you share money equally with your elder brother. Monagine go 50-50.
See, Eche is no longer a boy. But if you don't want this 5,000, I can keep
it. Wait. No problem. I will take this one. No, wait. Calm down.
Are you sure?
Calm down first now. I will take this one. But what I'm promising you is that another day will come. You're not going to 10,000 naira. You will finish it soon. You will finish eating the money soon. You will still need another idea.
Hey.
You will still need the master planner.
Hey.
For some more ideas.
Hey.
And by that time, I will present my office. And you will come and see me as a consultant.
Oh.
Then you will pay for every idea I will give to you.
Idea bring.
So we are no problem. Okay, we are but you took 10,000 naira. Younger brother took 10,000. No, leave me. You eat your money, no problem.
You promised me one ball. One ball.
Oh, thank you. Down. Eh? Are you sure?
I don't like your hair like this.
Mama?
Chalo?
Mama?
Again?
I don't understand. Mama, who locked the kitchen door? Who locked the kitchen door with padlock? When did you start locking the kitchen door with padlock? Did you lock it?
Kitchen door?
Yes.
Lock up kitchen door.
Then it's obvious who did. What is the meaning of this nonsense, Kwan?
So she wants to start locking the kitchen door with padlock, and she could not even tell you. In that case, I'll break it down. Let me
Biko. I beg you, eh? Leave that kitchen door and that padlock like that, Biko. Don't even touch that padlock. Don't break it, please.
But why, Mama? So we are going to stay hungry till she returns. And then Madam Wasa.
Mama, let me just go and break this kitchen door so she will eat.
No. There is no way we can pay back this woman the same way she behaves to us. Your father will be angry. Biko, no. Please. Let's not pay back evil for evil, please. That's what I'm trying to avoid. I don't want your father to be angry. Biko, no.
Mama, it's time we put that woman in her place. So it's time.
No. You're a woman like me. I know you can stand any man. But I don't want your father to be angry. I don't want neighbors to see me as a woman who gave birth to mannerless children.
Because Mama, why is it that this woman will be misbehaving and you'll be telling us to keep her? Is it because we are girls? Don't we have same rights in our father's compound?
A girl has as much rights as a boy in her father's house. Yes. It takes a lot of understanding for people to realize that. If I get many I don't want your father to be angry. I don't want neighbors to start hearing our voices or draw no man. Oh?
Go bones.
Customer, you are still here? Are you not going home?
The sun is too much. I will wait. Hey, I will wait for another 2 hours. Let the sun come down small.
Okay.
Before I will go home.
No problem.
Thank you.
We are continuously.
The check time for me, only.
No wahala.
From now to 2 hours, wake me.
This woman is taking us for granted. Why would
You can leave Suka the door before you go, Mama.
I have to be sure she's not the one that locked it now. That woman she's doing too much. She's doing too much. I'm going to break this. We let Mama go out first. And
this stone will not even do anything.
I will look for bigger one. There are so many stones inside this place now. I'll break down that door and there's food inside.
Please, I brought Papa.
Mama, this is not fair. Mama, I cannot eat Papa. This is not food now.
Why don't you bear
And I'm not
with me?
feeling fine.
Bear with me now. At least we'll have something we can chew. Oh, Bikono. Chi?
Mama, leave me. Ma. I know for sure she did this deliberately. She just wants us to starve before she returns.
The last thing I want us to do is to give in to whatever Ekwutozina is planning. Let's not pay evil for evil. Oh, you know go.
Mama, you want us to eat Papa when we cooked and he's lying there in the kitchen.
I didn't like it, Papa.
Mama,
I didn't like it, Papa.
Let's thank God that we have something we can eat. Because let's eat this now. Oh, you know go.
Mama, I don't like this. So I don't like this. I don't like this.
Chi?
Sorry,
Chi? Instead of you to ask your sister to come back, Papa, no, you're sitting down here.
Papa, too much of it is bad.
Suddenly. When you have no Papa Mbono?
Nsize na mada tata, Mama.
Who there?
What do you want?
Pay my usual. Where is your phone? Bring banana, bring. Sir? Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. What is good about the afternoon? Good afternoon, sir. In the afternoon, you have made so evil. You are greeting good afternoon. So this is what you have decided to do with your life. In a time like this, when your mates are busy in their different places of business, doing something to help themselves, you are here. Ordering for beer. How many bottles have you taken already?
Papa, this is just the first bottle.
This is just the first one.
Started.
Where is the television I asked to go and repair for me?
Papa, the television is with the television repairer that you asked me to give the television to.
So when are you bringing it back?
Papa, I don't know. He said I should come back later for it. That's what he told me.
Later as in when?
Papa, he did not tell me exactly. He said whenever he is done, he will let me know so I can come and collect the television.
I don't know why it is appearing to me as if you are not telling me the truth. But I will just allow you to slide.
Thank you.
Under normal circumstances, I should push you back to the house. Now, Magamola. But I will just leave you. I want to be your father. But, Ezeonu. Ezeonu. Which are you?
spoil my afternoon now. Eh? Where is this boy now?
Yes. Why would you take such a decision? You would have dropped the spare key for me, since you know we use the same kitchen. Oh, I did not deem it necessary, because I personally cleaned that kitchen myself. I don't want your lazy children to mess it up. Mbano, don't refer to my children as being lazy. It wasn't their turn to clean the kitchen. I knew you would defend them. Lazy girls.
We are not lazy. Mama, in fact, we are better than those irresponsible things you call your sons.
How dare you talk back at me? Hey, very good.
You would have been doing this since. Very good. Nice one, sis.
Let me do the talking.
Oh,
Mama, keep push you like this. Okay. All die and I die. It's okay. No, because my children are not around. You push them with my sickness. Okay. Is it not your wife?
My push.
I know.
Can I remember?
Nani. She pushed me. That she both say I come.
Hey, I did not.
Hey!
No, she didn't.
Hey!
She was trying to slap and she
pushed me.
She pushed you.
She pushed me.
She pushed me.
It's not true.
Let us end this. Let us just end it. Let us assume that nothing happened.
No, something happened that was pushed. Now I remember everything, man.
Who will I accept that? 3 people are saying they didn't push you. Who pushed you?
Mama, what is it?
Hello, gentlemen. Listen, I am already sitting as a judge on this matter.
You are judging and they pushed her down, Papa.
Who told you to push her down? Who told you?
I told you.
I'm on the side. They didn't push anybody. They didn't push anybody.
Mama, who pushed you down?
Three of them.
Hey,
I'll take the down one.
You shut my mouth.
Papa.
You can't get out.
Very busy.
Papa, you're being one-sided though. You're being one-sided.
Okay. Mama, sorry. But nobody pushed you when I came here.
Were you here?
I was coming here. I saw when you sat on the floor. All the same, sorry.
No, leave me so that when I'm
Okay, you okay now?
How we should be okay?
It's okay. After today,
Papa, you are being very partial.
No.
Very partial. Very partial. Pet me small now.
Beautiful.
Pet me small now. I'm a woman too.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Who owns the bag?
Abia.
It's my own.
Sorry. Let's go. No. They go sit down there.
Oh, no. You may go tell them about your day and I want them.
And you will eat.
Yalla, Agwang.
Mama, if you had known, you would have just allowed us. At least if we use one person to set the example, the rest will learn. Ndala.
It's okay. Just relax. Your father is on top of all this. He will handle it his own way. You know that.
Mama, for how long? Mama, for how long will you keep telling us to relax? For how long? We'll just keep quiet and these useless boys will be intimidating us in our own father's house. How long?
What do you expect me to tell you? To go and kill them? Or a feature?
To retaliate.
It's not in my character to do that now. Biko, let us just pipe low. Calm down, please. Everything will be fine. But everything will be fine. Oh, Biko, no mom, Biko.
Bunch of untrained cowards. They think those things in between their legs is what makes a man. As long as their mother won't respect herself, insult. I will keep giving her insult upon insult. Rubbish.
Chika. Chicken why yo?
Mama, Fanny Jane why yo? Are they taking it why with us?
It's okay. Oh, Chi, it's okay.
Ekwutozina, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. I asked you, in fact, I pleaded with you as a good husband. Prepare abacha for me because I know you do it so well. What you didn't do it? It's somebody else. You are out here complaining about your children again. The same matter I've already finished. Why are you encouraging them to be causing mayhem in this family? You know them, your sons. They are violent prone, and if you keep, you keep encouraging them, you keep inciting them, and they will end up killing anybody. If anything should happen to anybody in this family, you are the person that will be responsible.
No, how? Why are you blaming me? How can you hold me responsible? Representing I caused the trouble.
No, they didn't cause any trouble. The matter came up in my court. I listened to everybody. In fact, that is the first law of justice administration here, the other side. I listened to both sides, and I came to the conclusion that they did not cause any mayhem, just a small family misunderstanding.
Papa, why are you still here talking about this court and your judgment? Why are you talking about this your wrong judgment?
Inapwala, are you talking to me? You have no wife. You don't have anything. Wait until you get married, and then you have your own children, and then you sit as a judge over family matters. Then you will know how difficult it is for a man to be judging his family. I finished a case and you're still doing your hand like this. Look at it. What's wrong with you?
Okay, Papa, this is how you want it. Papa, you should leave this house and go to your father's house because this is my father's house and this is my own possession and I need to possess my possession.
You don't have any possession to possess it. You know, this house is my house and it was my father's house that I renovated. So you have no possession anywhere. Balana, idiot!
Okay, this is the way you want it. Very soon you will die.
Can you swear you're not the one that told your son to be telling me this nonsense?
Okay. Now, if you could just leave me alone. I'm still very angry.
Aponya. Leave him. Is it actually when I drop dead that I'm going to have peace in this family? No, I'm not talking. No. Let us forget about all this calling God over matters that we can handle as individuals. What is going on? This my family is not the first polygamous family in this. In fact, as we speak, there are too many other polygamous families that are cruising in peace. I have consulted my Ishi and I asked him, is it your bidding for me not to have peace? And he says no. So why is my own like a war zone? Why?
Nine. I was disrespected by this Otocha, and she deserves to be punished. And until it is resolved to my satisfaction, there won't be peace in this house.
At all, there will be no peace.
And
nobody will disrespect my mother in this house and have peace.
It's not possible.
Who's a Megel?
You, of course.
Madam.
You, of course, bride prostitute.
Who's a Megel?
Madam.
Papa, are you seeing it? Are you seeing him?
Listen to your father.
Madam, calm down.
Let her talk. Keep wagging your tongue.
Enough of this. Enough of this.
Come,
enough of
respect yourself. I wasn't talking.
I said
enough of this.
Enough.
Enough.
Respect. Enough of getting it.
Enough of
9. Why don't you share your property? Why don't you just share it? Let them take their own.
But they don't have anything now.
You don't have good.
Hey, how can a man share his properties when he's still alive?
Oh, no, we share. You want him to share it when he's dead? You will wake him up to share. Okay? For once, be real. Rap go do yes Santa Weba. Nonsense.
Sheep's clothing.
That is what she is.
You know what? Let me just share it.
Oh, Maka.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Move forward.
Okamma, biko.
You see, the male children in this family,
We. It's just two of us.
they should go and make their own money. And then all the things that belong to me, they still belong to me. That's the sharing.
Okay, what's the meaning of this sharing?
Sharing has concluded.
What kind of sharing is
Go and look for your own. Is that a share? Or can you come mad? Only when come mad.
No, what is the problem? Can you What is the problem? Oh. Is it because my children and I asked for our right? That is why you have refused to eat my food. It's okay. The right thing has to be done. If you really need peace, you will do it.
My husband, Biko, I don't want you to give in for high BP. Think less about these issues. Oh, everything will be alright. Inugo, I know I lured you into all this, but I did it from a place of love. And it is the right decision despite everything that's happened. I want you to do me a favor, please. Forget about what happened yesterday. Let us think about a better today and tomorrow.
There is not going to be any better today or tomorrow. Let him share that. Let him share his property. Let peace reign. At least if he does that, my children will use their own. Bulu Foundation, they will stand. Then, let them know that here is not their final destination. Let them move.
Nam, you have never been a coward. Nobody will ever force you to do what you don't want to do. But I am pleading with you, for the sake of peace, share the property.
Hey! Ibianu! Hi, first day! Today you have spoken as my cousin. If you so to a monese, Okamma heed her advice, share the property. Kudochia, onobone walunkia. Passers by anaga. My sons are share it.
You are full of evil. I'm looking at you and I am seeing evil. And when you speak, the evil reflects the more. When you speak, do you at all filter the things that are falling out of your mouth for you to listen to them later? You don't. You don't. Maria, can you please stand up? I don't know why you're kneeling down.
Thank you, man.
You have never offended me in any way, so you have no reason to kneel down. I have heard every single thing you said, and I must have to admit you spoke nobly. I am going to share the property. I am going to share it. And when I finally decide to do it, I will do it well. In a way that nobody will feel bad. But it is not going to happen today.
Yeah.
I will not share my property today. I will do it at my own time. This is my decision. And if anybody is not happy with this decision, the person can as well drop dead. And we are going to bury the person. Straight up.
My love, you sent for me with urgency. What
Yes,
happened?
I'm so sorry I had to. I got an urgent call from my maternal uncle. He wants me to come to the city and join his line of business. You see, I couldn't wait to tell you. Finally, I'll have to raise money to pay your bride price.
I'm so happy for you. This is good news.
Thank you so much.
This is a great opportunity. I wouldn't want you to miss it.
Yes, but at the same time, I wouldn't want to leave you behind. Even though it's just for a while.
Don't worry, God will see you through, so you won't have to keep me here for long.
Of course, I promise. I promise to come for you when things begin to move up, okay?
I love you so much.
I love you too.
So, when are you leaving?
That will be a day after tomorrow. So, how are things shaping up at home?
Not so good.
And it will never be good. It will never be good. Look at you. You will claim to be a responsible elder sister, but you, of all men, you chose who to open your legs for. Is this Tozo? You are opening your legs for this Tozo? A man without any in-law value. Nenian. Look at him. Where they go trouser?
Obi, if you know where you were heading to, please go. Don't be unfortunate this afternoon.
Eh? No. What will happen? Tell me. What can you do? You believe it's the situation at home where Papa rescued you. Any nonsense you try here, I will strip you naked here.
You will do what?
Strip her naked here and now.
Are you alright?
Eh?
You see, Adegema?
Hey, Mpama, I wasn't talking to you, I beg. I wasn't talking to you. Stay out of this. I was talking to my sister, and moreover, there's no palm tree here where you showcase your talent. Biko, stay out of this.
Look at this chronic gambler without a future, calling a man with potential names. Lazy and greedy nudism that cannot stay one place to be useful. Nudism.
You call me names. You even call me names I don't even know the meaning.
Of course.
Don't even stop. This is easy. Take it. No. What? It's good for you.
We'll never be
Jesus. You want to blind me?
Somebody is dying today. Somebody will die today. Hey, very good. Please, tell your children to leave my house now, today. Somebody must die. Very good. Thank you.
Somebody must die.
Yes, Mama. Somebody must die. Where are those? Mama, please. There's no time for. Where are your children? They are leaving this house now. They are leaving my house.
Take it easy now. Take what is?
Somebody will die.
Why you know?
You know, yeah. When you open Pico, no, somebody will truly die.
Pico, talk to him now. Eh?
Talk to him. How every day looks like in my house. That boy is not.
He is very, very stupid for raising his hands on you. Very, very stupid boy. Look at the boy of yesterday.
That is how he likes feeling larger than life, but I'm glad you put him in his place.
Of course, he got what he deserved. He got what he deserved. Is he the only first son in the entire village? Is he?
I'm really tired. I can't wait to leave that house. That house is so unbearable.
Leave to where? That is your father's house. And you are the first issue. You always have a place in your father's house.
I'm so sorry.
There's nothing to be sorry about. I will never take it lightly with anybody who is bent on humiliating me. Never!
Thank you so very much. I really miss you while you're gone.
I miss you too. Don't worry. You will always be in my thoughts, okay?
Hey. Somebody will have to die in this compound before we have to jail. Oh, she's here. Mama, she's here. She's the one that will die today. You will die today, Chimamanda. You will die today in this compound.
What happened?
Mama, she ganged up with her useless boyfriend, and they laid ambush against me, and she beat me up. Look at me.
Can you say one?
The boyfriend dealt with me mercilessly today.
But I was asking you now. He got.
No.
Who ganged up to beat you? Mama, I was having a decent conversation. He came with his trouble, and same was given to him in full measures. And here you are blabbing like a spoiled brat, which you are.
Hey, shut up.
Okay, you are still talking. You will die today.
Okay, now. your father is back.
And the best of what are you doing with the cutlass?
Papa, somebody will die in your compound today. In fact, in my house, somebody will die today. She ganged up with her boyfriend to beat me up. A homie, Obioso. She ganged up with that useless boy.
And that's why you have a machete. You want to kill your sister? And you're calling my house your house?
Our house.
Give me that cutlass.
Papa, you have to stay out of this because you were not there when that young man dealt with me.
Papa, give me the cutlass.
Papa said you should give him the cutlass.
Give me the cutlass. Give me that cutlass.
Papa, she will die today.
Give me that cutlass.
Junior cutlass, no.
Mama!
Have you seen what you have done? Have you seen what you caused them Musulabo?
I'm happy now. I'm sorry. Oh,
It has finally dawned on me that the line between life and death is very thin. The other day, my wife came very, very close to death. It was indeed a very tragic fall. And it is not that I wish to do this now, but I have finally decided to do it, just for the sake of peace.
Oh my God.
So I have decided to share the property.
Hey.
Kudoshia.
Oh my God.
This house. This house belongs to my first son, Ugezu.
Hey! Namo, landlord.
Thank you very much, Papa.
And the land across the road, the land belongs to Ezeonu, my second son.
Landlord, the landlord.
Thank you, sir.
Hey!
It is unfortunate that I do not have enough.
Yeah, but we are okay. Thank you.
Let me
Go round.
dismiss the meeting.
But my daughters are my daughters indeed, and they will not be left empty-handed. To settle them, I want to make use of my savings account. You all believe I don't have money, but I have money in my savings account. Money I have been saving over the years. So I am going to divide that money in my savings account into 2 equal parts.
One for our mother.
Obviously.
One part will go to my first daughter. And then the second part will go to my second daughter.
Yes.
But I'm not giving them the money now. I will wait until they are married, and I will give them the money as their wedding gifts.
Hey!
I want us to understand this language. They say live and let live. I have done this in the spirit of peace, and I want us to maintain that peace. All your owner, take the one that has been given to you, and let us move on in peace.
We will live and let's live. How much is the money in your account?
Your own is the house and the land. The money is their own.
So if money is better, we can take the money.
Nine. Replacing life over possession. My daughters and I are grateful. God bless you.
Thank you, Papa.
They have already bought into the peace.
Yeah, man, because that's I really need to know the amount of money.
Papa, thank you.
Peace, man. Peace. Can't we just say the same thing and just maintain this peace? And I to go. Why are we digging deep?
Money is small. The money will be small.
Ezeonu! Ezeonu, come out here. Oh, back here now. Where is the television I asked you to take to that young man who repairs television? Where is it?
Papa, the truth is, you know that day that you gave me the television to go and repair? You know, I was having, my stomach was paining me. So as I was going, the stomach started again. So I had to beg Ugezu to help me and send it to the man.
Why do you lie too much? As short as you are. No, was this what you told me that day I saw you drinking in the bar?
Papa, calm down now. Butu, calm down. Probably he was already drunk by the time you got to the bar and asked him, and he gave you the reply that came to his mouth at that moment. I took the television myself to the repairer. He said that the television will take some time, maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, probably a month or thereabout, before you can finish repairing the television.
Why do you people lie too much? This one will tell one lie and the other one will continue from where he stopped. Listen, both of you. I am just coming from the young man's workshop. And he told me that one of you sold that television to him that day. In fact, he paid cash.
Papa, see, the point is that that television is too old to be in this house. In this time and age, we shouldn't be having that kind of television in our house. So we concluded on our own that we will buy another television.
A smart TV.
A smart TV that will befit our house. So that's the conclusion we had.
Yeah, Papa, you know that TV is even due for a new one, So we had to, that TV every day develops faults. Every day we used to repair that TV. If you press button inside to on the TV, it will not come out again. So we had to...
Can somebody provide a summary of what this rubbish are saying? Can I hear a summary of it?
Papa, in summary, this is our house. And we have decided the kind of television we want in our house, and it is a smart one.
Smart TV.
In summary, a smart television is coming to our house.
Yes, Papa.
That's it.
Is there any one of you sold the television? Who?
Oh, Papa. There's no need dragging this thing more than you should. The point here is, a smart television is coming to our house. The question should be, when?
Okay. A smart television is coming. You are the one who said it.
Why did you tell him smart TV,
You said smart yourself, but I said bigger television.
Do you know how much is smart TV? Where are we going to get that kind of money now?
Are you not the one that sold the TV?
Are you not the one that gave me the idea?
But you took the bigger part.
Yeah.
What is here?
Nah. You see the way Papa was raking because of that TV. Hi. But wait, what do you think is going through his mind now?
How is that one my business? Whatever that is going through his mind is his business. This is not what we should be thinking about now. We should be checking on how to sell that land and make some good money for ourselves.
Which land? My land?
In Yarapuka, near my land. We should sell that land and make some money. Have you forgotten I was the one that made Papa share the property? And he gave you the land and gave me the house. So we should share the land, make some money for ourselves.
So when we sell the land which is mine, you will not keep your own part of the property, Abi? I disagree.
You know, this should be one at a time. We cannot sell the two properties immediately and finish the money immediately. No, one after the other. We should sell the land first. And besides, you know, Papa will not even allow us to sell that house while he's still alive. So what we'll do is sell the land now, share the money. Then by the time Papa will go overboard, we can now sell the house and make another money for the future. Yes, now, use your sense.
So if we sell my land now, we share the money equally. And when we sell your own house, we share the money equally.
100% now. You know, that's what you started. Sharing things equal with your elder brother. But no problem. I'm okay with it. No problem. We'll continue that way.
You're not making sense.
You failed to understand from the beginning.
No, you not explain like this that we have to sell your own too. So it's only we'll sell my own and leave your own.
No, now we will not be living in this village, so obviously we'll stay inside the house.
It's a pity we are living in men's world.
But Mama, why must it always be the girl that should compromise for others?
Because she will soon get married and move to her husband's house. Nobody wants to attend to another man's property.
Please, on no account should both of you ever think less of yourselves. Or to ever assume that your father doesn't love you enough.
But Mama, that's how I feel.
That's not how it is, my dear. Traditionally, your father's farmland belongs to your brothers. Those are his male children. Your father being the only son, the two boys will continue his lineage.
Still a man's world.
Both of you have significant roles to play. There is no nation on this planet Earth that doesn't have a woman. And then me and me. I want you to be useful to yourselves. Please, help me prove to the world that women are still powerful. Oh?
Oga, this is the land from that fence to this too short fence. That's the land.
Both down there?
That is the house.
Oga, see as it is right now, you have to pay fast, so people are already coming for this land. The earlier, the better.
I think I like the land. So when am I to see your father to seal the deal?
What do you mean? What type of insult is that one? You are looking at two grown men and you are still saying you want to see our father. See our father for what? You want to kidnap him? Was it our father that brought you to this land?
Oga, see, the thing is, this land belongs to us. Our father has given us the right to go ahead to do whatever we want to do with this land. So you can do your business with us. You are safe.
I know, but this is not the way things have been done. I know your father to be the owner of this land, and he is still alive. So I need to hear from him before I proceed.
Oh no! Oh no! He is the custodian of our tradition. He knows our tradition very, very well. This is not how things are done. See, please, if you are not ready for this business, just tell us. I don't understand what you mean by you want to see our father. Are you sure this guy has what it takes to pay for this land?
Yes. You guys are just asking for 2 million naira. This is a communion land and there are procedures.
Look at how he called 2 million as if he was calling 2,000 naira. He does not have the money. Oh, guy, you don't have it. There's nothing you can do about it.
But you're not 15 naira, go starch.
You don't understand. Just because I demanded to see your father and you guys are...
This guy, they say see your father. The thing is scattering my head. Hey, Oga,
come and be going.
I don't like the idea of you bringing us out under this scorching sunshine to insult us like this. See, Go.
Okay.
Leave this land.
Come and be going. We'll change it for you.
Don't kill your father because of land, though.
Thunder will fire you.
It's you that will kill your father because of land.
Thunder will fire you. Do not play to fire you. Thunder will fire you, Mpama. Because you and buy eyeglass in the police. And you want to buy our own, idiot.
Ekwutozina, I was reliably informed by my well-positioned agents that your sons took someone to the land across the road for purposes of inspection and possibly to sell. True or false?
Does it matter if they want to sell it?
Why is it appearing to me as if you are part of the scheme? Are you confirming to me that it happened for real?
No. The land in question belongs to one of them. So it does not matter what they want to do with it.
The land was gifted to them, one of them, like you said, as a family inheritance. He has no permission to sell. Are you not aware?
What if the person wants to use it for business? What if the person wants to sell it to use the money as his capital for a business? Since you have decided to give your daughters all your savings,
Well, I have said my piece. Anybody who wants to go into business should not be looking for a land to sell. If they are looking for money, they should look for money elsewhere. They cannot sell the land for any business. Make them understand that. So that if there is anything they are planning, they should push it before Mero Madar.
This Omu, are you the one that placed it here?
Yes, sir. We placed it here to ward off land grabbers.
Exactly. Since we decided to sell this land, many people have been coming here in the name of agents to claim they are the real owners of the land. So we decided to place this Omu as security. When anybody sees this Omu, person will run away. But if you want, you can remove the Omu.
Yes.
You can remove it.
But you like the land now?
Yes, I like it. It fits what I need it for.
Exactly.
Do you agree for 1.8 million?
No, Oga, I thought we were long done with the bargain.
I wonder.
This land is for 2 million naira giveaway price. On a very good day, land that is on sites like this. It might be a main road.
4 million and above.
Okay, no problem, I will pay. So how do I make the payment?
That's the point.
Have come.
How do I make the payment should be the...
Let us talk small. Here is open.
Yes, this is let's go somewhere and do the money something.
Okay.
Let's go. That's small.
Oh, go to Riba.
Hi! Baba.
Hey!
Baba.
This is the kind of life you are supposed to be living.
For real.
This life.
For real. This is what we call balling. Enough cook up his drum. Not that well. Hey!
You know, let us take this party somewhere else. This place is too dry. I don't like this place. The place is too dry for this kind of party.
Wait. I hope you don't mean we should take this party to that house.
Which house?
To that Killjoy.
No. This kind of party that we want to have now befits only the city. That is where we have to be. That is where we should be balling our life.
Hey! Baba! So you have sense like this and you're still in this village?
Hey!
If you take this yourself to the city, you will become prime minister.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you, in the city, they call this thing turn up. Oh, yeah, turn up.
Okay, that's why they sang that song. Oh, yeah, turn up.
Yes!
Turn up.
Hey! That's it! We will turn up in the city. Nonsense. Hi! In that case, when are we going? Today or tomorrow?
Today now.
Today, Abi?
Today. Today. There's no point to today.
In that case, we should conclude fast. No need to bring more bottle for you.
No. Ha! 2 more and I'm good.
2 more bottles
for the road.
Okay.
2 for the
You're
road.
not even doing 1 for the road.
No, it's 2.
Okay. 2 more stars and then 2 more plates of pepper soup for you.
Hey.
Where is Mungu? Madam. The last time I was here, you insulted me like a small boy. I am back here. This one is for drink for anybody that will enter here today. Okay, you are not smiling. You're still talking to me. You want me to leave? Do you know how much I came here with? Okay, you are not begging. Money, stop nonsense.
You don't say you're my...
Money, stop nonsense.
You're my number 1 customer.
They count the money, a person dash you money, they count them. You are not for that, and for people who keep them here, where would they see them? So, today, you go close shop, nobody go enter again. You go pursue everybody when they here. Only we go use your entire system today.
You don't get problems.
Why this one they show like this?
No, I'm see, as we get now only be my customer today.
So what you go do now? Any visual we want start. I go book everything La Liga and EPL. Then you go on this one. Money stop nonsense.
Bros, I love best.
If they want vest, make them vest. The most important thing is make them come out.
Money day, money day.
I come out now.
I worry, I will go say. No, what are they called? Okay, no vest. Right. It don't bring money. Say, no, outside. See, anything you want to do today. How are you go win today? You go win, You go win.
Before I come here, I come here and know it.
You go win. Oh God! Johnson, how are you? Go buy for you.
Nah, don't to Ghana.
You will Ghana. Which time to play for you?
Don't they play anything for this side, but anything we go enter, they play here.
Your mother's the plan to go,
Anything we go enter here. Okay. 1,000 each game.
No. Which one have I play for? You make a play Premier League, have you?
Yes. Parents.
So, what do you intend to do with your money?
Mama, I plan to open a bet shop at the junction.
Bet what?
The thing
is give money. Bad money.
It's not bad money.
Good money in a bad way.
Good money in a good way.
Good money in a good way.
Yes, the thing gives a lot of money. We go and waste. Go. Sorry. Do you know how much people make there every day? Oga Joe make a lot of money there.
So much money.
So, Ekwutozina, what about you?
I intend to start business with my own money. Business.
What kind of business?
Hollandis. Hollandis na George.
What do you know about Hollandis?
You know,
there's my friend in the city. I already spoke to on his behalf.
Let him talk. You're not you are going to do your whatever. He is going to sell abada. Tell him
about the friend I told you about in the city.
No, don't tell me about your friend. Tell me about you, and the abada you want to sell.
Okay. You know, I've always liked the rapper that you are tying. So I now told our friend. He now said that he can teach me the business, and because I have money, I will now invest in the business and make so much money in the city.
Immediately.
Yeah.
Is it not better for you to learn the trade first before you invest?
There's no
to
point
take time.
doing boy for somebody when he has the money.
This money is your last card, though.
Yeah, but
if anything should happen to that money, Don't let people laugh at us.
Nothing.
Nothing will happen.
So at least we have the house to sell.
We will not sell. Sell which house? Where will we sleep?
Mama? We will not sell.
Where will I be?
In this house.
You will stay here.
It's my house. Mama will stay here. I'll be taking care of her here. We have 2 million naira for the land.
Yes.
1 million.
1 million.
I will use my own 1 million to open the bed shop. Oh, did 1 million by Abada? Ah, Abada.
Yeah, I will be bringing you Hollandese now, George. You be the village people will know that your son is into good business.
Yes. George,
what's the name of the business?
Abada.
Yes.
Abada.
Hey,
Abada. Sense. He has given me name first. Abada.
Obanye.
Hey.
I don't know what to say, but you just have to calm down, understand? That's nothing spoiled.
What is the meaning of nothing spoiled?
I understand you very well.
What's the meaning of nothing spoiled? Okay, now when I die, something goes spoiled.
No, you no go die.
I came here with 50,000 naira. 50? 30,000 naira for my mama and 20,000 naira for me. I tell my mama, say if I come here with 30,000 naira, I'll make 300,000 naira for me. After they follow you, they talk. She dey house, they wait. If she never even take things on credit, open side they bring 300,000 naira come out.
You use 50,000 naira play game.
You don't know the year? I talk
see. Me say if I just come here with 200 naira, just as they just chop am, if they chop me 100 naira, I go dey vex inside my mind. So now, okay, now wait, no. As they go now, wait till you won't go tell your mother.
Now you are supposed to ask that useless question.
And my mama.
You when they tell me say nothing spoil. Now you are supposed to ask what I go tell my mama.
My guy.
You they tell me say nothing spoil.
See as it be. Me and you know say this thing na bet. Your mom say no say na bet. This one they need to give person assurance. You dey get? You still go tell am the same way you tell am say you go win, and the same way you go still use am out now tell am say you lose.
If you come on your hand for my shoulder.
My guy.
No, if you come on your hand.
I just imagine the kind of wahala we go dey that your house. So it be like now like this I go stop here. One name. I go back. So I tell you say you no play bet. You no go here. Carry 50,000. You be thief. Wisdom won't kill you. You think say you wise. You are a mumu man. I get 50,000. I don't start life. You get mine. Carry 50,000. I play game. I just no come my house to chop food. Oh my God. This boy no get sense. 50,000 naira carry play game. Omodi life no balance. What for this? I can never be like this.
This is a drug.
Okay. Now, thank you. Nine, why don't you get up and eat so that I can take your drugs? Oh? Inanu?
I will eat.
Ache.
Mama.
How is your mother?
She's just there. She's just there.
Hope you're not going out, so you could take care of her.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm not going anywhere.
Listen, again, more evening so I can take your drugs.
How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling better, as you can see.
Thank God.
How are you?
I'm fine. Okay, your phone.
Yes, in the market.
Oh, yeah. Let me rush to the market. Now, okay.
Hey, she baby.
Oh, Papa. Ago. Kedu? Uncle. Adam, why?
Never.
No.
Thank you.
Ah, welcome. Biko, Ogo, sit down, oh. Madani.
Udoka, my wonderful.
Thank you.
Madam, no.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hey, be careful. Don't even take anything. How are you people, Papa? Mama?
We are fine.
Well, as you can see, I am very okay. I am getting better. And I feel better. Yes.
Welcome.
No. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
So, Udoka, my very, very big in-law, how is everything?
Thank God, Papa. I am very fine. And I am glad to see that you are really getting better.
I am.
Your daughter here has been so worried.
Oh, I can understand. I can understand why she is worried, considering how I was the last time she visited. I know that she will not feel okay until she visits again and sees me in this good condition. So how is everything?
Fine, thank you, Papa. Thank you. Papa, Mama, I hope nobody's lacking anything.
Should I be telling you people? But I don't have any choice. I don't have much problem anyway, apart from the roof. You know, the rainy season will soon be here. And then the roof will start to leak again. And you know, my two sons, they don't have anything at all to take care of that problem. And the rain will still meet me again. That is just the only challenge I have now. The only challenge I have. That is it. Apart from that, every other thing is okay.
Okay, Papa, don't worry. The roof is going to be fixed now. Chi, go and look for a repairer to fix the roof. Now. Yes, now.
Udoka is around.
Really? Call him.
Okay.
Let me go with it.
Well, I am very, very excited that I am privileged to be one of those men who will have people that are taking care of them even in their lifetime. Many people that I know, they didn't have anybody that will take care of them and they just died in misery. I am happy that I'm not going to die in misery. You people are taking care of me and I'm very happy for that. I'm very happy for that.
You deserve even more.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank God. How about our second mom?
That one, even now that she's sick, Aruka and Abakasia. Even when you go to help her, her children will be talking to you anyhow. So she's there in her room.
Well, please, you made mention of Ofonubo. And now you can see that I have very wonderful guests. So, can we be serious with that Ofonubo?
It's not my money. See, bring back my bag. Let me tell you, let me not look for anything inside that bag. Don't forget to call the repairer. Also,
what are her sons doing about her condition?
It's his sons. Ndenka. When they forget to pass, she has no son, anything like that. I don't know. They're not even taking care of her. Nothing. Juman is just there. Her condition is getting worse. It's okay.
Even Oku Erike, Oku Juloba.
Can't you tell me if you
and if you can bring me the strap very close to my bed, it's good money.
Papa.
No, you are really taking very good care of my daughter. Look at how she is looking. Very wonderful. I am very proud to call her my daughter because you are taking good care of her as a good man that you are.
But why didn't I play this game over 1.5 or even handicap? Just check out fine game like this. Cotton because of just one game. Hi. Maybe I should just be playing Cotton 1. That way I will not be losing money every time. It's 1,000 or now. It's 2,000 or now. And I really needed this money very bad. Very bad. Where will I now raise money that I will use to play weekend game? And the will start today. Hi. Dear Chesona. Where are you going? And what are you doing outside by this time?
What kind of dirty question is that one now?
I told you to stay at home with Mama, and you are here. going to the bar.
As nanny, eh? Why didn't you stay with her? Eh? Why did you ask me to stay and not you? So I will not go and hustle like my fellow men now.
You are hustling on your way to the bar. You now hustle at the bar. Bartender.
Where did I see you? Eh? NMPC betting company. Where did I see you now? Look at Ijikwa game Naka. Nah, I don't matter. Just leave me alone.
Wait, oh. So it has gotten to the extent that you no longer listen to your elder brother. I cannot send you something to do and you will do it. You are not challenging me.
Brother, all the ones that have been listening to you, where did they land me? Eh? In fact, please, it's high time you sold your property and let's divide the money into two and so I can take my own part. Because I am dead broke and I need money.
You are stupid. Eh? You are used. In fact, they will go your brain box. As I'm looking at you, it was empty container.
You are very mad. Eh? It is you and your brain box that you have used to bet that company. Nonsense. Hey. You want to die? You want to die?
Where is stone? I'll kill you!
Jesus!
Yes, Mama.
No.
Thank you, Mama. We came in a while ago, so we decided to check how you're faring. How is the leg?
My daughter, I don't even know if it is getting better or worse.
Mama, what exactly are they applying on it?
It's the same herbal mixture, but my sons are not always around to rub the other one on it.
That reminds me, where are they?
I don't know, but I'm sure they will be somewhere that is not good. Sometimes I just wish God can take me. I'm tired.
No, Mama, God forbid. Mama, please don't talk like that. Please. You will not die. Mama, I brought some things for you. I left them in the kitchen. And we brought you some cash so you could add and buy more.
I'm just take care of yourself. To you.
Mama, it's okay.
I'm sorry. Oh God.
Mama.
I'm sorry, one big question. Was pushing me. Thank you. May God replenish this for you.
Amen.
Hello. Thank you.
My beautiful daughter. Get him, man.
Odima.
Yes,
Yes, Papa. We've seen Mama. We wanted to stay much longer, but since you're now healthy and kicking, I'll go with my husband and sleep in his house. Then tomorrow morning we'll head to the city. We'll be leaving very early.
I understand. Yeah, but you shouldn't be in a hurry to leave. Your mother is running around to prepare something for you. You just came back from the city. And I am so sure that when you get to your husband's house, there is no arrangement for food. So you have to stay back and eat the vegetable soup they are preparing. So that you can just go back and sleep. It's, of course. I know. So tomorrow morning you can go back to the city. What do you think?
We don't have to think. My love, we have to wait and eat our own room. I have to eat it.
Come on, I live in the village for that.
My mother's phone.
But you should also try because I'm an aqua.
Another thing, Papa. You don't need to worry yourself about anything. Whatever you need, just a phone call away. We are able and capable of doing anything for you. It was boom.
If you know how happy my spirit is jumping now, I can't actually describe it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God answered your prayer in this man.
Somebody like you.
To emulate your sisters. I want you to look beyond your father's house. Chimamanda came here with her husband today to see me. And she dashed me milk money in spite of everything that happened in the past. Bikono, I want you to make peace. Be in peace with everybody in the family. Because
no, never, Mama. That one will not happen now. How do you expect me to make peace with that girl and now she will start dragging my father's house with me? This house belongs to me. Anything here. That one will not happen, no. But by the way, Mama, how much did she give you and where is the money?
Mama, please don't try that thing now. Don't even tell him where you kept the money.
Okay, again. Okay,
calm down there.
You are insulting me now. So what are you trying to say?
What I'm saying is that you are not good with money, so there's no point giving you money to keep.
Don't raise your voices because I'm in pain.
Mama, talk to him. Mama, give me the money first. No,
Where? Not in my presence.
Then you go outside now so she can give me your absence.
Let us see now. Let us see.
You're shouting, no, Bikono.
Mama.
Chororugo can challenge him now.
Ichorogo. Do you want to fight?
Oh, you want another one? Mama, where did you keep the money?
How did this Akunocha and that boy make this kind of money? And I am still here. Kai. No wonder they say God is a partial God. Now I get it. Me that is the first son, I don't have a car yet. But she and her husband now own a car. Hi. She even expects me to come and greet her and that boy. God forbid. God. That is the last thing that I will do. If not that I've been using my money for a gombute, by now I would have had that kind of car running as Uber for me somewhere in town. Hi. But I never say never. It's never late. Bah, it can never be late. I will still hit my millions. What is even millions? I will hit my billions and I'll buy that kind of car, 25 pieces. And he'll be driving one for me as taxi in this village. I'll not even allow him leave the village. Hi.
Hi.
Hey, Mama. I want to go out, though.
Please, help me to the toilet. I'm pressed.
When? Now? Hey. Hey. There's no time more, Where I'm going, they're already waiting for me. But I will look for somebody. I will beg anybody to come and help you, Because this is not the right time.
It's coming out.
Oh, dear, endure. Oh, I will look for girls or anybody, The person Mama, don't worry, just there.
Bia. Hey! Obiaso. Hey, Tokwamo. Maria!
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
What is it?
We have an information for you, sir.
Information for me?
Tell you.
What information?
We have decided that we want to leave this village and go to the city and hustle for ourselves and make good money.
Like our mates.
Why will you decide now?
So
when you leave now, who will be taking care of your mother who is already sick in her room?
That's why you are there now.
All of us are one. If you cannot take care of her, Chika, our younger sister, will take care of her.
Her co-wife is there too. To help her. We came to tell you so it does not look like we left without telling you.
Disrespect.
If not.
Yeah.
Yes. We are still here because we waited for you to wake up. We are supposed to follow first boss and go, but now we can follow any boss we see and go.
Udlab.
Yes.
Yeah. I have nothing to say.
Thank you very much. That's the
Go
thing
ahead.
we said we should tell you. Look at ordinary Udoka that knows nothing. That he already went to the city.
He's making money.
He's made a very big money. He even owns a car now.
Udoka doesn't know anything, but Udoka is not a gambler. Has he ever gambled?
But there's no who's talking about gambling here now.
Yeah.
What is talking about gambling?
I have nothing to say.
Nobody's talking about gambling. We are going to
Thank
hustle.
you very much. We are going to hustle so we can make good money. At least
We
this
can
small
change
house
this
you
house.
built here. Let us build a better house.
Better house.
We have managed this
I
one.
have nothing to say.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Kita just Lashamanya. These ones are sons now. Sons. Comparing themselves with Udok. I just pity the man they will meet in the city because they will gamble his life away. Gamble his life away. Here we are. Facing the reality of life. You know, when I was growing up as a boy, under my father, Ubuefi Ezeonu Ezeonu, I had a lot of dreams. I was envisaging the good life. How I am going to live out my life and then retire as an old man, surrounded by loved ones, lovely children, males and females, all prosperous in their different phases of endeavor, taking care of me. Finally, the reality is looking me in the eyes. But it is well.
We can never alter fate. Everything happens for a reason. Archie knew the path we took will bring us here. I never knew it would end like this. It all started at the market.
What I want to tell you now is exactly how the Dibe said it.
Okay, go ahead, I'm listening.
He said that you will be the one to give birth to your husband's sons.
Eh? Really? That means I won't give birth to girls just like my cousin Maria.
You are one to be vigilant because Wherever there's something good, there is something bad hawking around the corner. If you are not careful, you will lose your sons.
Chineke me, who would want to harm my children?
Use your tongue to count your teeth.
I became weary of Maria and everything she does. When I had my children, it went from being afraid of her to hatred. I hated her and her children. I felt she was trying to move my children out of their destinies. So I was fighting her. I did not know that the same pit I was running away from is what I'm going to dive into. Today, look at me, sick, rejected, abandoned by the same children I've loved. They are not here to take care of me. I'm sorry, Aria. Be cool. I'm sorry. And I need to go. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, Nicola.
Never. It's okay. No matter what has happened, you are still my cousin.
How?
My blood.
Jay.
And my husband's wife. The best thing for us to do is to look into the present and embrace it, because it has so much love and hope. Okay? It's okay. Everything will be fine, okay?
Thank you.
See, Ekwutozina, contrary to what you said and what you think, you have not been abandoned. You are a wife in this family and you remain a core member of this family. Your sons have gone to the city and I can tell you that they have my blessings. They are going to succeed. Nothing will happen to them. I don't want you to allow your mistakes, your actions, and your inactions to take your eyes off the big picture. The most important thing is that right now as we speak, we have two very illustrious daughters in this family. And it goes a long way to show that the gender of a child has got absolutely nothing to do with the progress in a family. A child is a child, whether male or female. The important thing is to train a child well, and he or she can always rise to redeem the image of that family. That is what we are experiencing now. And I want you to understand.
I know.
It's that we are together in this.
It's okay.